In October 1995, Mobil Oil Corporation was in the process of expanding their Utica terminal in Upper New York State. Rather than purchasing new oil tanks, they decided to attempt to move existing tanks from nearby Clifford Fuel. To do this, they contacted the A.L. Watson Corporation of Dallas, Texas. Utilizing their patented Watson airlift technology, they were able to move 2 tanks 60 feet in diameter and 1 tank 90 feet in diameter, a distance of 1,200 feet to the new site, in the process achieving a vertical lift of 8 feet. As a result, Mobil Oil Corporation saved over 2/3 of the cost of purchasing comparable new tanks. Here's how this impressive engineering feat was accomplished. First, support frames had to be built inside each tank. Then, the ground under the tanks had to be cleared, an area 6 feet wide and 2 inches deep. Cardboard was placed on the ground to protect the Kevlar bags. On top of the bags were placed steel plates to distribute the load. As the bags were inflated and the tank lifted, support timbers were placed outside of the bags at appropriate positions. Then the bags were deflated, allowing the tank to rest on the support timbers. Then new timbers were placed under the bags, and the bags re-inflated, and the process repeated over and over. Lifting these giant tanks in this manner enables engineers to inspect the entire underside of the tank floor. The major area of corrosion here was found within 2 to 3 feet of the perimeter and directly under the tank shell. Once the tanks were elevated, they had to be moved. This task was complicated by the fact that the ground was originally a swamp that was landfilled, and that November was the worst weather in this area in over 150 years. Despite these obstacles, the move was accomplished without a hitch. The actual process involved using 10-inch beams, 50-ton rollers, and a 10-ton track hoe. To lower the tanks, the Watson crews simply reversed the lifting process. Here we see that tank number 1 has been lowered onto its new foundation, and tank number 2 is now being moved into place. Prior to the move, the crews constructed new foundations of crushed rock. To meet the latest stringent regulations, a Petrogard double-contained membrane and cathodic protection system had to be utilized. All 3 tanks were moved on time and on budget, proving that the Watson airlift method offers companies the latest technology in tank inspection and relocation to better utilize facilities and reduce costs.